The Horizon Fitness T101 treadmill is a versatile and affordable option that stands out among the best treadmills for home gyms. Designed to accommodate a range of fitness levels, the T101 features a sturdy frame, a powerful yet quiet motor, and a spacious running deck that ensures a comfortable workout experience. With its user-friendly interface, the treadmill offers multiple preset programs, allowing users to customize their workouts to meet specific goals. Additionally, the T101 boasts advanced cushioning technology, which reduces impact on joints and minimizes the risk of injury, making it ideal for regular use. For customer satisfaction, the Horizon Fitness T101 treadmill offers several key benefits. First, its compact and foldable design ensures it fits well in most home gym spaces, making it easy to store when not in use. The treadmill also comes with Bluetooth connectivity, allowing users to sync their devices and enjoy music or fitness apps while exercising. Moreover, Horizon Fitness provides a solid warranty and excellent customer service, giving buyers peace of mind. To get the most out of the T101, customers are advised to regularly maintain the treadmill by lubricating the belt and checking for any loose components, ensuring longevity and optimal performance. Overall, the T101 is a top choice for those seeking the best treadmills for home gyms, offering a blend of functionality, comfort, and reliability. The Theera Fitness Folding Treadmill is a remarkable choice for fitness enthusiasts seeking one of the best treadmills for home gyms. This treadmill combines durability, performance, and convenience, making it an excellent addition to any home workout setup. With a robust and quiet motor, the Theera Fitness Folding Treadmill delivers smooth and consistent performance, whether walking, jogging, or running. Its spacious running surface provides ample room for comfortable strides, and the treadmill's advanced cushioning system helps reduce the impact on joints, enhancing user comfort and safety. For customer satisfaction, the Theera Fitness Folding Treadmill excels in several areas. Its foldable design is a standout feature, allowing users to easily fold and store the treadmill, maximizing space efficiency in their home gym. The treadmill comes equipped with an intuitive LCD display that tracks essential workout metrics, including speed, time, distance, and calories burned, helping users monitor their progress. Additionally, the Theera Fitness Folding Treadmill offers multiple preset workout programs, catering to various fitness levels and goals. To ensure longevity and optimal performance, customers are advised to follow regular maintenance routines, such as lubricating the belt and keeping the treadmill clean. The brand's customer service is reliable and responsive, providing support and addressing any concerns promptly. With its blend of quality construction, user-friendly features, and space-saving design, the Theera Fitness Folding Treadmill. The Fitness F63 treadmill is a premium choice among the best treadmills for home gyms, offering an impressive combination of durability, advanced features, and user convenience. This treadmill is equipped with a powerful motor that supports a wide range of speeds and inclines, allowing users to customize their workouts to varying intensities, from walking to intense running sessions. Its robust construction ensures stability and longevity, while the spacious running deck with advanced cushioning technology minimizes joint impact, providing a comfortable and safe exercise experience. One of the standout features of the Fitness F63 treadmill is its Bluetooth connectivity, which enables users to sync their devices and enjoy music, fitness apps, and more while working out. The treadmill's user-friendly console displays essential workout metrics such as speed, time, distance, and calories burned, making it easy to track progress. The inclusion of multiple preset programs allows for varied and engaging workouts tailored to different fitness goals. Furthermore, the treadmill's foldable design is ideal for home gyms, as it saves space when not in use and includes an easy assist folding mechanism for hassle-free storage. For customer satisfaction, Fitness ensures a comprehensive warranty and responsive customer service, offering peace of mind to buyers. To maintain the treadmill's optimal performance and extend its lifespan, users are encouraged to regularly lubricate the belt, check for loose components, and keep the treadmill clean. The combination of these features makes the Fitness F63 treadmill a standout option for those seeking the best treadmills for home gyms, delivering a high-quality, versatile, and convenient fitness solution for running and walking workouts. The Rhythmfun folding treadmill with incline is a standout option among the best treadmills for home gyms, combining a powerful 3.5 horsepower motor, advanced features, and a sleek design. This electric motorized treadmill is designed to cater to a wide range of fitness levels, offering both walking and running capabilities. The treadmill's shock-absorbing system ensures a smooth and quiet operation, reducing impact on joints and making it a suitable choice for those with joint concerns or those living in shared spaces. Its foldable design is perfect for home offices and gyms, providing convenience and space-saving benefits. The Rhythmfun folding treadmill also includes an incline feature, allowing users to increase workout intensity and target different muscle groups. Its user-friendly console displays essential workout metrics, including speed, time, distance, and calories burned, making it easy for users to track their progress. Additionally, the built-in speaker enhances the workout experience by allowing users to enjoy music or audio content while exercising. The treadmill's sleek silver finish adds a modern touch to any home gym setup, making it not only functional but also aesthetically pleasing. For customer satisfaction, Rhythmfun provides excellent customer service and a reliable warranty, ensuring users feel supported and confident in their purchase. To maintain the treadmill's performance and longevity, users should regularly lubricate the belt, check for any loose components, and keep the machine clean. With its combination of powerful performance, advanced features, and convenient design, the Rhythmfun folding treadmill with incline is a top choice for those seeking the best treadmills for home gyms, offering a high-quality, versatile, and enjoyable workout experience. The Echelon Stride treadmill is a top contender among the best treadmills for home gyms, known for its smart, foldable design and a host of advanced features. Engineered for convenience and performance, this treadmill offers a cushioned deck that provides excellent shock absorption, minimizing the impact on joints and ensuring a comfortable workout experience. The powerful motor supports a range of speeds suitable for both walking and running, making it a versatile option for all fitness levels. The Echelon Stride's foldable design and easy storage capabilities make it perfect for home gyms with limited space, allowing users to maximize their workout area without sacrificing functionality. One of the standout features of the Echelon Stride treadmill is its Bluetooth connectivity, which allows users to sync their devices and access various workout programs and fitness apps. This treadmill also comes with a 30-day free membership to Echelon's fitness platform, providing access to live and on-demand classes, personalized training, and a supportive fitness community. The user-friendly console displays essential workout metrics, including speed, time, distance, and calories burned, helping users track their progress and stay motivated. Additionally, the treadmill's sleek and modern design complements any home gym setup, adding a touch of sophistication to the space. For customer satisfaction, Echelon offers excellent customer support and a comprehensive warranty, ensuring peace of mind for buyers. To maintain the treadmill's optimal performance and longevity, users should regularly lubricate the belt, keep the machine clean, and check for any loose components. With its combination of innovative features, space-saving design, and user-friendly interface, the Echelon Stride treadmill is an outstanding choice for those seeking the best treadmills for home gyms, delivering a high-quality, engaging, and effective home workout experience.